Hey everyone, I'm Adam Rossler, and today I wanted to talk about how I use data to make viral videos on Instagram, YouTube, etc. And I'm gonna try not to waste your time, and I wanna make it so that you can probably put this video into any of your AI and kind of use it. I'll go over general high-level things that I do and leave comments if you want any more specific details. I'm happy to do a future video. So the most important thing about any type of virality isn't actually originality. It's understanding the data that makes something go viral. So let's go ahead and get started. So on the left, you kind of see this data idea, right? So in a high level, quickly, I have this database that basically has a bunch of data, different creators, different videos, their transcripts, what actually happened in that video. And then from there, I'm able to basically search that entire database, get an understanding of a video topic I want, what kind of did well, and convert that into a video. And then that video is able to do pretty well. Now this is an example of a video that did decently well, got 91,000 views, which is semi-viral, and it can be repeated, that's right. And once you kind of see what actually works, there's nothing stopping you from kind of applying more and more originality and more of your own taste on it. But now you have all this data backing you up to help you with the algorithm. So the heart of this is literally the database. If you only get one thing out of this entire video, it's that you need a database understanding your viral video content or your niche. So for example, I'm in all the AI spaces. I work in FANG. I'm a big fan of AI. I love to teach. So my entire niche is AI, right? It's a big domain though. But there are several great creators out there. Some of them that come to mind are Angus, Real Riley Brown. These are all fantastic creators that I personally also watch. So when it comes to where can I kind of understand how people are going viral in my niche, you're gonna wanna go to the people that are most viral in your niche. And you can kind of see what the database has. So what I've done here is I've compiled a list, a bunch of creators, and now put them in this database. And I have several data points on all their videos. So now it makes it very easily and queryable. You don't have to do this super difficultly, like literally a MySQL database, and just importing that data manually or in some automated fashion will work perfectly for this. But trying to get as many data points as you can allows you to make decisions that are more statistical. And in turn, you can use this to make better decisions. And so you built it, you got the videos, you got the likes, you got the views you can use this data to now start searching for how you want to make a video. So let's say I wanted to make a video on Codex computer use or cloud computer use. I just literally have to search that up. It'll hit any query, any transcript, any title that these people have done and kind of understand how this video has performed for other people. And the other thing is that you might even find something that you didn't think about at first. Maybe there's another problem in this niche of computer use that you actually want to talk about and expand on, and you saw that did well for a different creator. You built a database and you have the creators and you have the topic. You can find the outliers of those people and what videos actually did well. And you don't have to do it necessarily in the order I just said. Right? You can also start by finding the outliers, take those viral ideas and then spin your own originality on it. So here we have Angus, who I've learned a lot from him on Instagram. You can kind of see this database is able to query all his videos and understand what videos have actually done statistically well. If the newest video that he's done has a higher than median or mean views, you can actually assume that this video was able to push harder on the algorithm. You know, it's because someone who has 1 million viewers, it's not surprising for them to get 10,000 views. But if you have 1,000 followers, then 10,000 views is actually a lot. So using statistics relative to what they actually get is a very important concept. You need to make sure you do that correctly because otherwise your data is skewed. And if you're targeting virality, you don't want to be making videos that aren't going to do well. You want to target what actually works. Again, there could be thousands of reasons a video does or doesn't work, and timing could be one of them, etc. It's not your job to copy them. It's to understand what works so you can go and apply your own originality on it. So once you can get these data points, you're like, okay, let's explore more into what actually made this video good. So you can see here that he might have had a video that did 1,600,000 views, and this is completely out of his median so you can explore that video, understand what did well. Did he talk differently? Did he explore a topic that people were generally interested? And that's where you dive deeper, and the comments are also helpful, and you can actually get more knowledge. Now here's a really important concept of this, right? So let's say you were able to get the views, the likes, the shares of a video of the user, right? So you understand a statistical idea of why a video might work. You can identify videos viral. But now comes a little bit more niche ideas, right? You're not gonna be able to watch hundreds of these videos, especially the outliers. That'll take a long time. But you can actually utilize AI to do almost all this work. All you have to do really is get that video, and use a vision model. There's plenty of different vision models, one of them being Gemini. Tell it to analyze the entire video, understand it, and really transcribe exactly what's going on in the video. Like, are there specific animations? Almost try to put the video into words. And it won't be perfect, you definitely will have lossy from this, but you will still get something that you can utilize to understand. Ask the AI to transcribe the video. So now you have the raw transcript. So you can understand, okay, what was actually the hook? What got people to start watching it? What was the proof maybe? Like, what did they do? How did they explain their idea to make it very understandable? And how did they end it? Did they do something interesting? Did they build curiosity? Did they say comment in the description? What was the actual ending? So all these different parts, and every person has a different way to make videos, and that's perfectly okay. But these types of ideas help you understand what actually has gone viral. So for example, let's just take a look at the statistic, right? So first person openings fall below 47% of the time of the normal video views. But the moment you start leading with the viewer's payoff, you actually get a lot more hits. Like, how do you actually want to open up these videos? Do you want to, say how it affected you, or do you want to tell somebody how it can actually help them and affect them? That is why this analysis is important. Understanding this data is like anything else in the world. Once you understand the data, anything else is possible. You need to compile this list of data, and then you can build your own thing. And the point of this isn't only for you to go viral. Forget about that. This is so you can make good quality content and actually be able to talk to your viewers. And then once you have this data, you understand the video, how you want to build it. It's a very simple process from there. You just have an AI or yourself, you write the brief, what you want in the video. You can use something like HyperFrames to design all the animations, and then just do a voiceover on whether the script you wrote or the script the AI helped you write. And then suddenly you have a great video. And I want to put a disclaimer. You could have gone through this entire process and still have a video that flops. And that's okay. You can actually run an A/B test. So maybe for one of those videos, you're actually going to go and have a different hook. And for a different one, you're going to have different animations. But throughout the videos, you want to keep things consistent. So only test one thing. And Instagram trial reels makes this easy, but you can also just post similar videos and just make sure you change a few things. And A/B testing will even help you narrow down more what your viewers actually want to watch. And actually what's interesting is that sometimes faceless videos with just pure animation did significantly better than ones with face, because people really like seeing that animation style. And maybe they care less for face, which actually was surprising to me, because I always thought that people wanted to see someone on the face of the video, but it didn't seem like that big of a deal. And another thing that is interesting, right? Sometimes these videos throughout different platforms, they perform differently. I have actually seen some videos that have gone viral on some, just flop on others. But the videos that really have done well have never really flopped on any of them. So you don't need to really focus on changing every single detail to post on different ones like TikTok, Instagram. Don't worry so much about that. And it's actually better to just focus on trying to get it viral. And the nice thing is that if you can get it viral on one platform, usually does mean that it'll actually go viral on all the other platforms. And then you can use this data. You can also put your own videos in your database. Nothing is stopping that, right? You're also a creator. So if your video is getting an outlier, then you use that. You see what actually worked there. Was it the idea, animation? Was it a combination? Was it in my face? Was it how I did the hook? All those data points. And you have to be creative on how you think about data points, right? The more stuff you track, more intuition you build, the better it will be. But yeah, that's the entire video, guys. Thank you. I tried to keep this short. Comment down below if there's any questions you have. I'll link the Excel draw in the description so that you can download and give it to your AI agent and build something out of that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.